But oh, so they want Dana White for the thing because Tom loves Dana White. Da, 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 da. So Dana White hits me up right before we tape a random Monday Kill Tony. And he goes, hey, they want me to do this Tom Brady roast. Can you help me? You're my head roast advisor. I've worked with them before on something where he had to do comedy. And I go, Dana, I'm going to be honest with you, bro. I'm trying to get on this thing. It would be huge for me, but I'll help you out any way we can. Like if you want to figure something out.
Yeah.
But as of right now, I'm still trying to get on it, but I'll still help you. But I kind of like, this is like a big one for me.
Yeah.
And I haven't wanted anything forever.